Lads, snow! You finally did it. Snow out here. The trampoline is destroyed. See? You even got Frosty over here. Hey, Shelly. Made a little snow angel myself. I don't know why I'm doing this accent, actually. Poor little dog over there. Feel bad for him. But snow, lads. Snow and the forest back there. Oh, I don't know. Snow. It's pretty deep. It's a pretty deep hole. I can make here. Yeah. It's real snow too, not that fake stuff we had like last week. 3 days of school out for that. Bullshit. Look over here. All fresh white stuff. I don't know why God comes over the earth, but you know. And this is a burn barrel, by the way. But see, it's burned, but no, it's not full of snow, so I don't know how we're gonna burn anything in it. Yep. This is South Carolina, all right. All right. Well, have a good day, lads. See you next time.